Good day everyone. Today I'm going to test the electric kettle from SWODEN. I'm going to show a little bit the usability and the function of it. And of course, if you wish to know more about it, then stay and watch continue this video. If you have any kind of questions, then write it in the comments below. And of course, if you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. Let's now get into it. Hello and welcome back. Before I begin, I just want to mention there was nothing included inside the box, and yeah, I'm going to skip this part in this video. As power station, I don't count it as something separately included in the box, and yeah, it's one part for the kettle. I was going a little bit for the usability with my finger over the surface on both sides to see if there's anything sharp enough where you can get injured, but yeah, there was not one point where I can get injured or see something sharp here. Here's a good point what they implemented is because we can see here it's a storage for the cable, as you can see here. I'm going to show it a little bit here in the camera. The storage for the cable here. And yeah, that's it for the power station. Let's now jump into the kettle. The same story I did, for usability. I was with my fingers over the surface from inside and outside to see if there's anything sharp enough where you can get injured. But here's the same story, not one single point where you can get injured. Even on the bottom of the kettle there was nothing sharp. From the usability perspective, what I can see here, here's the first button, and it's well made. And there's nothing, something loose where it can be damaged or something like that. The same button here for turning on and off. And yeah, that's it from my usability perspective. Let's now jump into the function and see you there. Now to the function. First of all, we have here, of course, the first button here, as you can see here. Basically, it opens the top, as you can see here. But it opens just half of it, and yeah, you can use your hand to open it a little bit more, but take care not to use full force because you could damage this plastic here. The inside wall of this electric kettle is made out of stainless steel. That's, in my opinion, a good implementation what they did here, because it prevents heat that gets out and can injure you while you're holding it. Below we have here the turn on and off button, as you can see here. There's even a symbol here for it. I don't know if you can see it here. On and off button. And yeah, that's it with the function. Here's the power station. Basically, you just put it on a power station, and if you want to boil or a little bit heat up, and put it on a power station, and turning it on and off. And if you have any kind of questions, then write in the comments below, let me know. And for the test I prepared 1.5 liter water. I'm going to show it here, as you can see. Inside of the electric kettle we have a small display below. It's the first display. It shows a half liter of water we can put in. The last display above shows 1.5 liter. For the test I'm going to let the water boil a little bit to see how if the turn off the automatic turn off function works. And after the test I'm going to explain how I am cleaning the lime out of the electric kettle. And let's now do the test here. If you have any kind of questions about this electric kettle, then write it in the comments, and let me know what you think about it. If the sound gets too loud, I'm going to lower the sound for the video, and if it takes too long, I'm going to a little bit cut the video here. It's already close to boil. Now the water is boiling. And the electric kettle has turned off. Yeah, the electric kettle passed the test, and it turned off automatically when the water was boiling. I'm going to explain now how I am removing lime out of any kettle. Basically, I put 200 milliliter of water in, then I put 50 milliliter of lime remover in, then I heat it up a little bit, and I leave it to cool down for about 2 hours. After that, I'm removing the water over it, and clean it up with new water 2 times. But keep in mind, if you do this method, never boil the water with the lime remover, and That's it, how I clean my electric kettle. It's easy and fast, and yeah. If you like it so far, this video, then give it a like. If you have any kind of questions about this electric kettle, then write it in the comments below. And of course, if you wish to support me and my channel, then subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on my next videos. Ciao.